Hello folks, Wacky Weatherman here. How y'all doing? Welcome to our official stormwatch video. I'm on my big boy Nikon, and that is about how the sky looks right now. So it's pretty dark. I've got the exposure set down too, as y'all can see. That's one thing I like about the Nikon, is I can do it this way. I can set it down and not have to worry about it, and I can keep it that way. But anywho, I hope you guys are doing all right this morning. This is March 17th, 2021, and the time is there's the time. Okay, so but this is what is happening right now. So Wacky Weatherman here, but your old buddy Gerald. So you guys, Wacky Weatherman here. We'll just turn this back on here in a little bit and keep an eye out on this. It's like I said, it's after the 9 o'clock a.m. hour, and I'll turn this back on here shortly. So we'll just keep an eye out on this situation today. This will be our Stormwatch Wacky Weatherman style. Rudy. All right, all right. So once again, March 17th, 2021. Here's the little intro video, if you will, and I will see y'all throughout the day. All right, so we'll give it about an hour, and we'll just see what transpires. All right, folks. Hold on, because here's our official Stormwatch video right now. Alrighty, folks. It is after the 10 o'clock a.m. hour, and check this out, man. It is still storming. We still got a storm here. Looks like it's trying to lighten up a little bit, but oh yeah, there you go, babe. Look at that dude, man. Got a storm happening, folks. Jumping James, my man. Groovy. So I need to get a hold of him. I need to get a hold of you on Twitter, my man, and see what's going on. It is storming. Like I said, y'all, it's after the 10 o'clock a.m. hour. Okay, so it's been an hour, and like I said, each hour I'm going to try to update y'all on this. And I'm still using the big boy Nikon. Ooh, let's listen to that thunder for a minute. Because I'm not going out there because I don't want to get the camera wet. But that is it, y'all. Wacky Weatherman. It's a rainy day, stormy day out. And it's all groovy. So, yep. Rain, rain, rain. Anyway, y'all, Wacky Weatherman here. This is great, isn't it? Just hanging out. And there's nothing really to see here, man. So I'll turn this back on here in the 11 o'clock hour, and we'll just see what happens. And hey, it is good to see a storm. So, but that's it. It is after the 10 a.m. hour. Just to let y'all know I'm not crapping y'all around. Here's the time right here. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Oh, see, there's my note. Note 10 plus right there. Check that dude out, man. So, groovy, huh? That's it. The big old 6.8 inch phone. Look at that. That's a monster. But anyway, folks, I will turn this back on here in the next segment. I'll see y'all in the 11 o'clock hour. So that's it. So you guys be groovy. Go ahead and like, share, subscribe, comment. And March 17th, 2021. And Wacky Weatherman here, your old buddy Geraldo. Keep an eye out on this situation, alright? You guys be groovy. So I'll turn it back on here in an hour, so give me an hour. We're okay? Alright, folks. Wacky Weatherman. Alrighty, folks. It is after the 11 o'clock a.m. hour, and the rain has quit. The rain is done come and gone as of right now. So I don't know what is going to be in store for the rest of the day. But to show you the time, so you know I'm not ribbing y'all. It is, like I said, after the 11 o'clock hour. See, there you go. See? Groovy. See? Alright. Looks like it is starting to lighten up quite a bit here. And I'm still using my Nikon here. And we'll go down there and check it out. Yep. Yes, sir. Wacky weatherman. That's who I am. So, nothing over there as of yet, but y'all can hear the water happening down there. It actually sounds really nice, man. I would miss that. I would miss that. Oh, sound like I heard trying to hear a little bit of thunder. I believe maybe. So, but we will come back out here in the 12 o'clock hour and about 12:15ish or so, and we'll keep an eye out. We'll keep an update out here on the weather, and I'll have my big monopod out here, and I'll just put the Mr. Cameraman on top of that. This dude's charged up and ready to go, baby. Dude is charged up and ready, man. Yep, y'all can see the green grass. It's finally starting to get green around here. But, oh yeah, I have a happy St. Patrick's Day. Yes, I have green on. Yes, I do. So, you can pinch me. Nah. So, yes, I have green on. So, you can't pinch me. Don't even try. I'll pinch you back. Anyway, y'all, it is doing nothing right now, but like I said, we'll come back out here in the 12 o'clock in the noonish hour, and we'll keep an eye out on everything. And I'll go ahead and take a snap of that. I do like to that's one thing I like about my Nikon, is I can take a snap while filming. What I do is push the button up there. So, but that is it, y'all. But if anything transpires between now and noon, I'll turn it back on. But same old thing. So, but that's it. So you guys just hold on here. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know if this is going to be anything or not. It's pretty bright outside, so we'll just see. So just have to give it time here, y'all. We'll just have to give it time. But anyway, you guys be groovy. And once again, March 17, 2021, Wacky Weatherman here, your old buddy Gerald, your boy Gerald here, groovy. And I'll see y'all here in the 12 o'clock hour. So that's it, man. So y'all be groovy. And I'm going to go charge this Nikon back up. I'm always going to keep the big boy Nikon charged up all the time, so we can keep an eye out on it. All right. Later, folks. I'll turn it back on here in about another hour-ish or so. All right. Alrighty, folks. It is starting to get a little bit darker here, and I've actually got the exposure down quite a bit. That way y'all be able to see the good contrast of the clouds and stuff. Maybe I got it down a little bit too dark, but that's all right. So we're going to check out the weather here, and we'll go down here for a minute. And I told you I would be back to do this. Allen Auto Sales. I don't know where that is. Probably Mayfield, I believe, or something. So, but anyway, folks, we're going to keep an eye out on this weather. Weather today. if this stupid thing's going to freaking work. Here we go, y'all.
All right, welcome back here on this Wednesday afternoon. A pretty ugly one right now from downtown Paducah. Gray skies, rain,
There you go, folks.
and there's going to be some heavy rain continuing this afternoon. The possibility for some severe storms later on this evening in parts of the area. Beyond tonight, it's going to get much chillier tonight. Showery weather. But here's some good news before we talk about all the severe weather potential. There's a fantastic first weekend of spring to look forward to coming up.
So,
Saturday
but
and Sunday.
anyway, I hope you guys are doing well.
The main
It is after the 12 p.m. hour, so listen.
There's just going to be rain, and possibly a lot of it. Potential for flash flooding increasing across our region as we've got a lot of rain here in the Boot Heel of Missouri, Tennessee, moving into Kentucky.
Yeah. So James, my man, I don't know if it's been rain. I haven't talked to him in a while on Twitter, y'all.
Some heavier rain from Huntington down toward Milan with some embedded lightning and thunder.
So we'll just see what happens, y'all.
Rain getting ready to head over toward Kennett, also with some lightning and thunder. But the big storms, the supercell storms,
The big ones.
those are starting to develop down across Alabama, Mississippi. You see a tornado warning or two down here in South Mississippi, and numerous areas under tornado watches in the deep South. This is going to be a
But anyway,
severe weather outbreak for areas down.
Like I said, man, we'll just see what happens.
Yeah,
it's a little. Yeah, it is a little cool. So it's not bad.
We have not seen the main warm front get into our area yet. That's to our south. You see that 66.
But like I said, y'all, I'm just gonna keep doing this each hour. I'm gonna come out here and we're gonna do this. So
if this front gets into our region, we'll get more of that juicy, unstable air, and that's going to boost our chances for some severe weather. If this front has a hard time nudging much farther to the north, that's going to really limit the potential for our big storms. This is something we don't see often. It's been 2 years since we've had a high risk, a level 5, and that's what they're facing down to our south in Mississippi and Alabama. For our area, it's a little more of an uncertain setup because of question marks surrounding the position of that front and how much unstable air we're going to have. It still looks most likely that if we saw severe weather, Tennessee and the Boot Heel would be the most likely areas for those ingredients to come together. The farther north we head, it's a very limited threat for this afternoon. But we've had so much rain already, it's really going to limit the amount of instability that we get. So primary impacts today, going to be heavy rain and flooding, possibly a little bit of hail. An isolated wind gust over 60 is not out of the question.
Maybe, and like I said, we'll just see what happens because I'm kind of looking forward to something.
Western Kentucky, Tennessee, and the Boot Heel. That's only if we get that front in here and the atmosphere is able to recover.
It's only if, y'all.
The next couple of hours, it's going to be just a lot of rain. Kentucky, Tennessee, especially
so
at 2 and 3 o'clock. Bus stop and pickup time is going to be an absolute mess for kids getting out of school. 4 to 6 o'clock, we start to see things kind of wind down a little bit. Next round of showers and storms coming in 8, 9, 10 o'clock tonight.
And I tell you what, I will be back on the note tonight, about 8, 9 o'clock, and we'll just keep an eye out on that. So there actually will be 2 storms.
Instability. Here's a way to visualize it. This is storm fuel. You see the bright colors down south. There's a whole bunch of unstable air to work with. And notice that where it's been raining so hard, it's just not present in our area. This is what we want to see continue through today. That would limit our potential for severe weather. And again, we've also got a flash flood watch for parts of the area through tomorrow, with some storms possibly putting down 2 to 4 inches of rain.
Anyway, folks, we'll go back up and
beyond today, we're down to the 50s tomorrow with a few showers, decreasing clouds Friday and 53.
But anyway,
sunshine's back for the weekend.
That is about it, y'all. There's nothing really here right now, but
on Tuesday. Dave?
But we will be back here during the 1 o'clock hour, about the same time, 1:15, and we'll just see what's happening then, either that or before. But I'll see you guys in the next segment. I'm gonna go watch some tube, and I'll see y'all in the next one. So that's our update, and I'll be back. All right, so hold on. Alrighty, folks, it is starting to rain again. We are getting another thunderstorm, and just heard a little bit of booming here just probably about a minute ago. Okay, so I'm stepping outside, and that's as far as I go. Ooh, deck is wet, Bubba. So, but that is it. It is still in the 1 p.m. in the 12 p.m. hour. I just wanted to let y'all know we got another storm happening, and The current time is 12:40. All right, so 12:40.
But now they will have this to address as well. Yeah, Willie, listen, you and I both know how much
12:40. So,
how much the Asian American community in
but
Atlanta.
anyway, folks, that's it. I'll turn this back on here. Give me about an hour or so, and I'll be back in a little bit. So since I'm doing this again, I'll see y'all about in the 1:30ish hour, 1:40, somewhere up in there. And we'll just see what happens. We'll just keep this thing going, my friends. So that is it. You guys like, share, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys then. And that's it. So it's really groovy. All right, y'all. I'll turn it back on here in about an hour. Oh man, hey folks, your old buddy Gerald here, Wacky Weatherman, and
I think we can get a raft to go rafting. What do you think?
I think so.
Pretty awesome.
Isn't it? We can go swimming.
Yes, definitely. It'd be a little warmer though.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I bet it'd be cold out there. You doing okay, Mary?
Yeah, we're doing good. Are you guys okay?
Yeah, I'm doing okay.
All right. Go back to work.
You gotta go back to work.
Yeah, we gotta go take care of clients.
Uh-oh. Will you be careful?
Always, always out here. We'll have to get drafted there, so.
That's right. You be safe, okay?
Always. You guys do the same. Have a good evening.
Okay. So, but there you go, folks. Ain't that cool? Ain't that groovy? That is groovy. So, but that is it, y'all. So you guys get to see me, meet Mary, and she's awesome. So, oh, nothing else, y'all. Nothing. Wacky Weatherman, your old buddy Gerald, groovy. So, but that's it. Nothing happening, y'all. So it's groovy. Rafting. It'd be swimming. But anyway, folks, that is it. Hey, man, I'll turn this thing back on here in a little while, and we'll see what is. Later, folks. You guys be groovy. So there you go. Hey, you never know what to expect on Wacky. Well, folks, Wacky Weatherman here. It looks like it's done. For now, at least. So, but we still got a little ways to go. We're going to keep an eye out on this, and so we'll just see what happens. It has been, it's been a few hours. It's, well, about, oh, did I bring a phone with me? Of course I did. It is about, this time, about 4:45, so almost 5 o'clock. But it's not done anything. It's just been like it is, just a little overcast, and I haven't talked to my man Jumpin' James yet. So, but I will talk to him. Yeah, James, my man, I need to get a hold of you. I need to get a hold of you, my man. Groovy. So, this is what it looks like right now. Nothing, y'all. Nothing. So, Mr. Sun is coming out, and it is a groovy. Actually, kind of clearing off a little bit, but which is still not good. So, not really any bad storms. Nothing, but we'll come around over here and we'll just see what happens. We'll just see what it. There's the blue sky up there, if y'all can see. But there it is. Wacky Weatherman. Your old buddy Gerald, how y'all doing? Would y'all go ahead and like, share, subscribe, comment, do that for me if you haven't done so yet. Please do so. Do yourself a favor. That is groovy. There's Mr. Sun. Yep, still using the Nikon. And so, it is all groovy. So, just waiting to see what is going to happen. But, like I said, I just wanted to come in here real quick and let y'all. Let's check around on the side over here. Nope. Hey, there's a little bit of blue sky looking like Jumpin' James. Yeah, it is. It's still a nice camera, isn't it, after all these years? But anyway, folks, I just wanted to come in here and just check it out with y'all and just say, hey, this is what's happening right now. We did have a nice thunderstorm come in here this morning, so that was really cool. So I'm not disappointed with that. At least we got to see a little bit of something, some thunder and stuff, a little bit of lightning. But as far as a bad, severe storm, no, we didn't get any of that. So overall, I'm pleased. So we did get a little something, so I am pleased. I'm really pretty pleased. Okay. But anyway, yep. It is about the way it's stacking up. But so there's just nothing else really here to tell y'all. I'll show you about on the 5:15 when the we'll just see what happens, and we'll check out the rain, and we'll just see what happens. So once again, folks, you guys like, share, subscribe, comment. Wacky Weatherman here, and I'll see y'all in the next video. So next segment, and we'll continue. We still got a few hours of daylight left, so we'll do it all the way up until then, and then I'll switch over to the note because I can see good with it at night. So that's it. So just boring and boring. Boring as crap, man. Boring as crap, y'all. But hey, man, dang near, you know what? I need to go in there. I need to go in there and count all the videos that we have. It's like dang near almost 300. I say probably 350 now. Maybe a little over. But we're getting close to 400 videos. Almost. Not bad in almost 2 years, huh? Shoot, no. Heck no. Alright, folks. I'll turn this back on here in the next segment. Alrighty, folks. We are inside now. We're going to check out the weather here. I'm going to zoom in.
The forecast, your visual proof, a term we mention a lot in the weather forecast. Wind shear, especially when it comes to forecasting severe weather.
Okay, so I'm still using the Nikon here.
The visual clue of that is just look up when you go outside. Look at the clouds, how fast they are moving. That shows you the jet stream in part in that low-level wind speed, which if we had more instability, we would have already had severe weather this morning. Here's your weather map tonight. A lot of moving parts. Now, we will take a little more time than usual looking at this because it's very relevant. Area of low pressure in northeastern Oklahoma, what we call a triple point coming off of that. See right here, purple line, red line, and blue coming together. I want you to keep this in your head real quick. We're going to go from this map to the radar, and we'll come right back to that. Here's the outlook for tornadoes tonight. A lot of colors. A very, very rare 45% chance of significant tornadoes tonight. So essentially a coin flip. Any given location down here in eastern Mississippi, western Alabama of seeing a significant tornado. Chances taper off the further north and west you head. Again, we're on the outer peripheries of this. Real only chance we watch is in the Boot Heel, northwest Tennessee, and maybe far western Kentucky. Radars right now, I've got the precipitation on here, the clouds, and the base layer is black. So we've seen no clouds and white.
So we're still working on it.
Out right now. A few light sprinkles here and there, nothing severe or ominous at the moment. But remember I just showed you that triple point on the temperature map? Remember the three lines coming together? Look where that is, right here. There's polygons, yellow severe thunderstorm warnings, and even a tornado warning south of Springfield, Missouri. That is what's coming here later tonight. It's going to swirl across the Missouri-Arkansas border, then come to about western Kentucky by about midnight. So that's something we'll watch that could have a low-end severe threat. You see it's currently producing some storms out west.
You can see that?
Also the radar down here in Arkansas. There's not much yet, but from Little Rock to Jonesboro down to eastern parts of the state, it does look like more storms will form and try to move in, but at the moment they're primarily showers, so that's what we'll be watching for tonight. We're in the middle of a very significant severe weather outbreak. There has already been many significant tornadoes observed in Alabama, one that went very close to the University of Alabama campus, several more closer to Montgomery, Jackson, Mississippi, also a few.
Too bad we didn't get any bad storms like that. That's stupid.
For us, here we go. Temperatures now over 60s, and I think it's going to stay mostly cloudy. There could be a few breaks of sunshine before sunset. 6 p.m. So again, I want to reiterate to you, the severe threat is low. Now, it's not zero, but I know we say a lot of times an isolated tornado. Well, if an isolated tornado hits your town, it's a big deal. But the chances overall of anybody seeing a tornado tonight are very low. They're low, but they're not zero. So that's why we're not going to let our guard down. If it does happen, it would be Tennessee, the Boot Heel in far western Kentucky. It's really dependent upon how much or if
That's what that is.
stability moves in from the south.
So, what do you think, Wacky Weather Girl?
8 p.m. and then 1 to 2 a.m. See if any supercells form to our south and stream in from the north. Any of these could carry some heavy downpours, which is more likely, some lightning and thunder, gusty winds, small hail, and again, the low-end threat for tornado. This is really a nowcast situation. We're so close to the event that looking at a computer model, this is a little bit misleading. There'll be scattered showers and storms around. The radar might not look exactly like this at 12 in the morning. But notice we can't sound the all clear until about 2 to 3 a.m. tomorrow. Then the storms are out. So 8 p.m. tonight to 2 a.m., we'll watch the radars to the south. If any supercells come up, if there's a low-end threat for them, produce a tornado. Now, tomorrow is going to be really, really chilly. Temperatures will stay in the upper 40s, low 50s. Here's 10 a.m., 2 o'clock, and upper level low will swirl.
It's going to be a little cool. Going to be much cooler in the morning.
Even a few of those showers producing some small pea-sized hailstones in Illinois and Missouri. And with a brisk northwest breeze, it's going to feel a lot cooler than 48. So take my word for it. You want to dress warmly tomorrow. If you do happen to have plans to travel south, I've been messaged by many people who are trying to go down I-24 to Nashville or even further south tonight. There's going to be an entire another squall line of significant tornadoes and a major severe weather threat well into the night, eastern Mississippi into Tennessee. So take note of that, please, if you're traveling south. That's going to be something that really goes for the next several hours into early tomorrow morning. So it's cloudy tomorrow, 54. So, we'll have updates on air and online tonight if any warnings are issued.
Alrighty, y'all. I'll see y'all back outside, and we'll continue Wacky Weatherman. So, March 17th, 2021, and I'll see you in the next segment outside. Hey there, folks. Wacky Weatherman. All right, it is after the 6 o'clock p.m. hour, and nothing's changed. Mr. Sun's gone. So, now this will probably be my last video of doing this with the Nikon, and then I'm going to switch to my Note, because that way it just takes better video at night. It does good in low light situations, but, so, the big bad Nikon held up good today. And I'm very pleased with it. So, I'll go down there real quick and we'll check it out. So, look at the green. Look at the green, man. So, yep, y'all can see I still got my green on. Okay, that's the House of Blues too. I can't remember where I got this shirt at. House of Blues, yep. But that is it, y'all. Nothing really to show you other than Wacky Weatherman, and you got to see the weather last hour, and nothing's really changed. So that will be it. So yeah, so that'll be groovy. But anyway, I'll tell you what, I will come back out here like in the 7 o'clock hour or whatever, and I'll continue this. I know it probably wasn't very long or whatever, but you get to see a little bit. So, this will be my second video today. So, that's groovy. Alright, so, nothing happening right now, y'all. Just same old thing. It's actually got a little warmer, so we'll just see what's happening. Man, all these places around us got tornadoes and bad storms, and we got nothing. So, but that's what to expect. So there's the Wacky Weather window. But we'll just keep an eye out on this thing, man, and I'll turn this back on here. I'll see you guys one more segment, and I'll bring this video to an end. Now, it'll probably be a day or so before I get to uploading this video, so just bear with me. Okay, and I'll explain it to you. So, but while you're watching this will already be March 13th or March 19th or 20th or something. So, nope. But that is about all of it, y'all. So, your old buddy Gerald here, Wacky Weatherman here. I'll talk to you guys in the next segment, and I'll bring this video to a close, and I'll see you guys then. So, you guys be groovy. And March 17th, 2021, and I'll see you guys later, okay? Alright, so, y'all stay groovy, and y'all be groovy. Alright, Wacky Weatherman here. Your old buddy Gerald here. Don't y'all forget it, otherwise I'll be shaming on you. Later, folks. You guys be groovy. Alrighty. Groovy. So, that's it. So, nothing else to see here, y'all. All right, you guys be groovy. I'll turn it back on here. Hey, y'all. Groovy. Wacky weatherman. So, getting ready to, well, eating supper here. So, I'm gonna end this video for now, but we'll keep an eye out over there. Looks like there's something over there. Kind of like, you know what I mean? Kind of like it's a little dark over there, folks. So, but, ooh, look like it's starting to rain again a little bit. So, so that right there will be a developing situation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this right now, and then I'll be back with the note. Okay, big Note 10 Plus. Look at that, groovy. Big old Note 10 Plus right there, looking at you in your faces. So, anyway, folks, Wacky Weatherman here. I'll see you guys in the next video here, and it's going to start getting nighttime, so I'm going to switch over, y'all, and I'll see you. I'll see y'all in the next video, and who knows, I may post that video, the one I'm doing tonight. I may post that one first, and then I may post, but you guys will get to see all that. But actually, looks like it might be doing something back in there. Kind of looks that way, don't it, y'all? Hold on, this right here might be something to pig of point of interest right here. Look at that. You can see like a little bit of cloud happening, but I don't know. And then again, that might just be the clouds or whatever, you know, like getting it or whatever. But it is looking a little dark back there. Y'all, it's groovy. So, anyway, folks, I'll see y'all in the next video. And you guys like, share, subscribe, and comment. March. Yeah. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's looking pretty dark back in there, bub. Yeah, it's looking a little dark. I know what a cloud looks like when I see one. So I'll tell you what, I'm gonna go in here and eat again, and I'll keep an eye out on that, folks. And I'll actually bring the Nikon back out here, because that looks amazing. That's looking darker. I know a cloud when I see one. But just give me a few minutes, and I'll see you guys then. So hold on. Ooh, alrighty, folks. Wacky Weatherman here. Yeah. It looks like actually, oh yeah, y'all can see it's looking pretty black back in there. Okay, yep, y'all can see it. Damn, that's black. Well, I mean, it's almost dark, bub. Yeah, I know, but yep, there it is. Look at that. I kind of thought there was a cloud there or something, but it's not showing up anything big on the radar. But like I said, it's just been a little bit, and so we'll just see what happens here. So what it does, so yeah, yep, y'all, looks like we might get something out of this. And like I said, it's going to start getting too dark where you'll be able to see it. But like I said, with the note, I can I'll be able to see a lot better. But the contrast here is great. But you got to remember, it is almost not dark time. So, but as of right now, it's just sitting there. And again, who knows? We'll see what happens. We'll keep an eye out on this situation. So, Wacky Weatherman here, your old buddy Gerald. Now, if this was like 10 o'clock in the morning, well, we'd be screwed. But anyway, y'all, let me take some snaps of this while I'm just here. This would be a great photo set for me. You can see, like right here. Y'all go like right here. See if you go right over here, and you go back this way. It's pretty dark, and I bet you there's gonna be some rain up in that mug. I bet you. But anyway, folks, starting to rain. Wacky Weatherman's about to move. That's right, I'm gonna go in there. We're gonna do a little law and order here. But hey, man. So let's see what's going to happen here. Actually, I can see a little bit of the little. You know how clouds get that like that white lining, like the one right there. Oh yeah, look at that right there. Let me take a snap of that. Oh, this would be great. I'll have to do another photo deal. Man. All right, y'all. Right over there. This is great, man. James is my man. Look at that right there, boy. Groovy, check it out. Yeah, I know it's pretty dark, but it is getting dark. It is getting dark time, so I'm trying to find some more impressive clouds here. But hey, man. So damn, now look at that right there. That contrast right there. I love these dark, heavy clouds like that, boy. This is great. I'm just taking snaps here, y'all. What I'm doing, but it is starting to get too dark to where I can't hardly see. But anyway, so Wacky Weatherman here, folks. Your old buddy Gerald. I'll turn this back on here. I'll see you in the next video for the continuation of this. Yeah, it looks like it's starting to break up a little bit. So that's it. Nothing fancy, nothing important. So so now I will end this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. But like I said, hey, ooh, look at that. Look at that right there, folks. Let me take some snaps of that. Wow, look at that. Wacky about weather. Of course, I'm Wacky Weatherman. Yeah. All right, folks, that's it. I'm going to end it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. March 17th, 2021. You guys have a good night. You guys be groovy, and I'll see you guys in the next one, all right? You guys be groovy. Later, folks.